Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I'm studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. I'm here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 12th August 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are Safe at School and Building Consent. Today we'll discuss the first topic of our editorial page in our today's video. So before getting into our video, let's have a small look on the second topic given. Building consent. A consensus on the postgraduate medical education regulations 2021 is a must. PMER. Okay, so the postgraduate medical education regulations. So this PME are going to take the 2021 that the more like a consensus that were going to be taken. The IMA, the largest organization of doctors in India, has demanded that the NMC withdraw the draft postgraduate medical education regulations 2021 in its current form. It notes that there shall be common counseling for admission in all medical educational institutions to all postgraduate broad specialty courses, diploma, MD, MS, on the basis of the merit list of the national exit test. So IMA and NMC means. So IMA means Indian Medical Association. Okay, IMA means Indian Medical Association, and NMC it means National Medical Commission. National Medical Commission. So this IMA it consists of large organization of all the doctors in India. So they has demanded the NMC to withdraw this postgraduate medical education regulations of 2021. So the current form that notes all the common admissions in all the medical educational institutions is to all the postgraduate broad specialty courses that were taking like MD, MS and diploma. So on this basis, they were taking a merit list of all the national exit test. Okay, means the people who are having a merit, like merit students will say, right? So they were taking the merit list. Currently, admissions to such programs are based on the postgraduate need. Half the seats to the various courses are based on the All India quota, and the rest are admitted by the state governments, which comply with reservation norms. The IMA contends that the draft regulation leaves states with no power or discretion to manage admissions. So at present, the admissions were taking in such programs like they were based on taking the postgraduate like NEET exams. Okay, so based on that they were taking or they were giving the admissions. So the half the seats for all the various courses, the different courses, are based on the All India quotations, and the rest are like admitted by the state governments. So now the IMA they contend that the draft regulations that have to leave the states with no power, and this management should be go on perfectly with all the admissions. Well, so this is the whole topic based on the second one. So let's get into our topic, that's safe at school. Students should not be able to return to campus without fear if protocols are strict. Well, what is meant by protocols? It means guidelines, set of rules, treaty, agreement or contract. So it means protocols. So protocol means guidelines, set of rules, treaty, agreement and contract. So now the students they should not get return to campus without any fear, without following if the rules were strict. Almost every child got left behind for more than a year in India, as COVID 19 shuttered schools and forced pupils to study online at home if they could. This long period of learning loss is a major setback in itself, affecting the physical and mental health of many students and depriving them of a year of vital skill development. It is understandable, therefore, that at least 14 states and union territories have tempered caution with calculated risk and opted to reopen campuses. Mostly for secondary and higher secondary students, these governments are not alone in looking for the golden mean to manage the pandemic. So, well, let's have a look at the meanings. Okay, shuttered. Shuttered means curtain, cover, screen, drap, or even close. Shuttered means curtain, cover, screen, drape, or close. Depriving, rob of, deny, strip, lack of. Depriving means rob of, deny, strip, or lack of. Tempered, anger, mood, moderate, modify, or mitigate. Tempered means anger, mood, moderate, modify, or mitigate. Okay, so almost every student means due to the COVID-19, all the schools were closed, and every student, they have to go on the online classes at home. Okay, if possible, they have to attend. It's not possible, everyone must and should. So this is a long period where there is a loss of the learning skills. So while means taking online classes makes children very lazy, means after all works completion they just get rested, and so many of the people get attracted to phone easily if there's an online classes. And so this COVID-19 made everyone study at the homes, and even there's a learning loss and many problems, like they were affecting and the physical strength and the mental health of many students were being lacking, okay, for this, and there's no skills development. So, and there were at least 14 states and union territories has taken a mood, means has taken a situation and a caution for all the campuses, that mostly for the secondary and higher secondary students, that these governments are not looking or they're not giving the chance or to manage this pandemic. In several countries, leaders are exploring ways to reduce the risk of coronavirus infection among pupils who are not yet eligible for vaccine, while getting them back on campus. At the end of the second wave in July, Haryana and Nagaland went back to in-person teaching for higher classes, while Punjab, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Puducherry and Lakshadweep are doing so this month. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh and Odisha are to follow. As schools reopen, there are positive indicators available from countries experimenting with black or back to school decisions and red flags in the wake of the Delta variant's wildfire spread. So, on study of 1 million students and staff members who returned to school this year in the United States, where children must be 12 years old to get a vaccine, showed that in spite of the resultant exposure to 7,000 COVID-19 positive children and adults, only 363 other children and adults acquired the infection. This is attributed to a universal mask mandate. In India, with a school student population of over 250 million, resumption of in-person schooling is advocated by some public health professionals based on the understanding that younger children are less at risk, as they do not have well-developed ACE2 receptors in the lungs that enable the virus to enter. This must, of course, be considered along with the impact of the Delta variant on children who do get infected sometimes severely, even though their numbers may be less and small. In Ludhiana, 20 students underscoring the need for strict protocols, testing and quarantining. Maharashtra has followed the textbook in setting up committees headed by collectors and civic officials to decide on reopening with official student attendance. Such a decentralized effort is welcome as it enables closures only in areas with high incidence. It is important to note that every and each for 18 months of the pandemic, there is consensus on ventilation and distancing norms as low-cost interventions with efficacy next only to vaccination. In the Indian context, this should favor outdoor classes under natural or built shade. Wherever possible, it is disappointing that teachers and staff have not been universally vaccinated yet, a lacuna that must be urgently filled. Well, so let's have a look on the meanings. So, resumption. Resumption means restart, resurgence, or continuance. Resumption means restart, resurgence, or continuance. Advocate, supporter, backer, or promoter. Advocate means supporter, backer, or promoter. Underscoring, emphasize, underline, or stress. Emphasize, underline, or stress. Efficacy, benefit, effectiveness, potency, or advantage. Efficacy means benefit, effectiveness, potency, or advantage. Lacuna, it means gap, hiatus, blank space, or shortage or dearth. Okay, lacuna means gap, hiatus, blank space. Consensus, agreement, concord, or harmony. Consensus means agreement, concord, or harmony. Okay, well, so this is our today's topic on safe at school. Thank you.